At least you got some childhood memories about this thing.
Yep.
Yup, it's a Concord. That's what brand it is. I don't know what hardware store your parents got this from.
Yes, Mom? Yeah. That's good. That's making that noise.
I mean, see, it only makes that noise when you pull it. It's really not supposed to make it, but as long as it's not making the noise while it's moving, that's good.
What's the best type of fan to get? Like,
Well, I've been hearing that vintage ceiling fans are better than the newer ones being made today. And plus, this fan is putting out a lot of air like it's supposed to.
So how are they making the new ones different from